This is my entry for Greenbelt and or my strugglebus 100 video for vector potential. Got a American lock here, 1100. Reaper Tappa Keywave 50 thousandths and Moki DeForest Diamond. I have my cat Lily here for moral support. So I've been working on the 1100 series box since probably mid to late November, and it's currently closing in on the end of January the following year. So about 2 months solid I've been fighting with these 1100 series locks. I have a few of them. Is that my deep set already? I have a few of them, and I've gotten a couple of opens, but never on camera. Only when I'm like picking casually. Was watching Silo with my wife one night. That was my first open. I'm not sure if it was this one because I have multiple black American 1100s. It was one of those. I have a green one that was supposed to be my submission lock. That was my plan, at least. But you know, plans how they go. That one I progressively pinned. I was doing really good at 3 pins. I added 4 and it kind of befuddled me, and then I ended up using it for a gutting video. When I reassembled it, I went ahead and put the 5th pin back in, even though I wasn't really opening it at 4. Then I have an American 1205 that I got. That's an older one, and I did a video where I showed that off, and after I stopped recording I thought, oh, let me give it a shot, and I actually popped it open. But I don't know if that counts for Greenbelt because it's older and it's a 1205, so I thought I'd go back to 1100. And then I was able to actually get this open again last night once, but again not on camera. I was laying in bed getting ready to go to sleep and just goofing off, and I wish it would open on camera. Thought I had my false set, but I'm not sure. If I can get to that false set, then it's just a matter of trying to chase that spool. There's at least one spool that I had to pop to get the open. But these have been a real challenge. It's been a challenge trying to learn feedback to a degree I've never had to know with the yellow and the orange ball locks. These serrated pins are tricky. So I have a hard time differentiating between a serrated pin click and a set pin click. That's something I need to learn. And I need more experience with the feedback, what it's trying to tell me. And sometimes I need more experience, or I definitely need more experience because sometimes I'm not sure which pin I'm on. So I have a lot to learn, needless to say. Which is one of the cool things about this hobby, is it feels like there's always more you can learn, and even once you get to a certain belt, you know, there's still yellow belt and orange belt locks out there that, or not out there, that I own, that I have yet to get to open on. So it seems like even when you get better, there's a variety of challenges within each belt. So it keeps it fun, keeps it fresh. You know, you just, once you learn a lock or something, once you win a lock, then there's always another lock, and sometimes it's, you know, just particular binding order and bidding combination that makes it challenging. And sometimes just the mojo's not there. I think we all have had days or weeks like that. I've had weeks. I've had weeks where I struggled even with some of my comfort locks. So, yeah, this is feeling like it's going to be a struggle bus video and not a green belt submission. But that's alright too. Every struggle is a learning opportunity. The question is, will I learn from it? Oops, there. If I had that set, I do not have it now. Alright, let's start over here. Let's try different. Switch up picks too. Let's go to a half diamond. Huh. Now I'm not even setting pins. I don't know why I think that helps, but sometimes I feel like that helps. There we go. That's the other thing with these, unlike some of the arch belts that I've dealt with spools, it seems like I can tell for sure when I'm getting the counter rotation, and then I push that pin and then it doesn't feel like I always set the spool, even though, you know, I get the counter rotation and I feel like I'm working. I'm just not getting it all the way, or maybe it's those serrated spools that's messing with me. So I'm just getting it to the serration, but it's just a struggle to get it past that. Let's go back to the interforest. Well, I got that Sparrow's 1100 trainer kit. Came with a monkey paw, but somehow that managed to get that 1100 monkey paw that's got the lines drawn on it. Not the turn tool, but it's got the lines drawn on the hook for pin positions to help you learn the pin positions. I'd be using that, but I bent the heck out of it. I don't know how I bent the heck out of it because I was just using it for the 1100s, and I don't think I was really manhandling it that much. Let's try my Jimmy Long's gym hook here. That's what I got the 1205 with. Boy, I had marked this with the pins. Ooh, ooh. False set. False set. Give me that spool. I think I'm just hunting one spool pin now. There it is. Now can I work the tension to get this pin without losing anything? I don't know why I'm going. I never switch back and forth between picks like this. Just nervous. But I feel like these DeForest diamonds, I do better with these American spools. Did I just lose my deep set? I think I lost my deep set. Or not deep set, false set. And that's why this is a struggle bus video. Alright, let's go back to this gym hook. Let's just reset. See how many pins I got. I only had 2 pins. Alright. One last time into the breach. Once more into the breach, dear friends. I always mess up quotes like that. Like a small false set, I think. And these serrated pins, I think that's the biggest challenge for these for me, is trying to tell those serrated clicks from a real pin set, which I guess is the point of the serrated clicks, or the serrated pins. Security. This is not looking like it's going to be an open. And I opened this darn thing last night. seems like on camera it's a whole different shebang. No, I'm not even getting that false set. That's the thing. Even the struggle bus is frustrated. You know, can't get it. Still enjoy doing it. Still enjoy the process. You know, be at work and just looking forward to, I'd like to go home and relax, hang out with my wife, and work on picking some locks while we're talking or watching TV. It's been a fantastic hobby to get into. There we go. I thought I was getting a turn there, but it was just the tension wrench falling out. Alright, I think that's our wrap for the struggle bus for today. Bound and determined to get these things though. Chasing that green belt. Maybe I'll be able to take another swing at that. Hopefully this weekend I'll have time. But thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. Congrats, Vector Potential, on your subscribers. You are rocking it. Love your channel. Really enjoy hearing you talk about the locksmith process. You're a smart dude, and I appreciate that. Keep up the good work on the channel. Congrats on your subscribers. If you guys have not checked out Vector Potential, definitely go check out Vector Potential's channel. Have the link will be in the description. Excellent channel, great dude, great lock sporter. So y'all have a good day. I'm gonna go have another cup of coffee and head to work. Bye.